Hey, I'm Mary. This is the next check-in on my journey. There was an earlier journey from when I first started with Dr. Durst and RevitalyzeMD, and this is me as my journey has continued. When I first came, I was like a lot of women my age. Menopause was screaming at me, and I think I was completely unaware. It's because it's not something that a lot of people talk about. And so I was completely unaware that was what was wrong with me. After I came here and started feeling better, and I mentioned to people that I was going and getting a hormone replacement, they're all like, oh yeah, I've been on that for years. And I'm like, why did nobody tell me? Why is nobody talking about this? That's initially what brought me here, were just the unpredictableness, just the insaneness of menopause. I don't know how else to describe it. It just completely swallows you. It takes away your shine. It sometimes it can almost be overnight, and you just don't even recognize yourself. I just was tired of feeling sick. I didn't know what was wrong with me, and I was just sort of couldn't sleep. I don't remember exactly what I was Googling. If I think in my earlier journey I did, but it was something to the effect of, why do I feel so crazy? What's wrong with me? I don't feel good. I can't sleep. I'm angry. I'm just so many things. And I was just Googling it, and it came up, and I read her story about her journey into opening up this women's wellness, and I just knew I needed to come see her immediately. Before I got here, of course, I didn't know. Like, I had no idea what anything would be. Like, as soon as I walked in the door, everybody is so kind and understanding. You're not uncomfortable. I mean, even if you tend to be uncomfortable, you're made to feel comfortable. The place is just so warm and welcoming and beautiful. And any type of treatment that was suggested I got was thoroughly explained, and I completely understood it. Before I came, of course, I had no clue, but as soon as I got here, I had no apprehension. Huge improvement. 180. I can't say it enough. And if you have a chronic illness, you need to come here, even if you're not in menopause. Even if you're just down or overweight or not, feel like you've lost your shine at any age, whether it's after having a baby or whether you're closer to my age. I'm 55. Dr. Durst does total women's health, and she's not happy until you're feeling better. One of my favorite things about Dr. Durst was she is into total women's care, total women's health. She was not satisfied until I was feeling completely better about myself. And then there's lots of beauty treatments. There's, the Botox, the fillers. They are experts at all those type of things, the lasers and all those things. But one of the things that helped me the most is specifically, I have a very rare a genetic disorder. It's a connective tissue disease. It's called vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. I'm one of the oldest living people with it, and as you age, it just really takes a toll on your body. And Dr. Durst was able to suggest some therapy and some treatment that has dramatically has improved not just how I feel and how I look, but my overall health and future. There's just no reason to be nervous. And the procrastination, it does set in, because especially if you're going through something that would make you seek out a place like this for wellness, maybe you're feeling bad, maybe you can't get out of bed, maybe you're exhausted, maybe you have kids that are small, maybe your kids are off to college, you're isolating, or maybe you're not isolating. Maybe you're out at work every day, but you're just dragging and you're tired. And my only regret about coming here is I didn't come sooner, because I think I procrastinated about 6 months. About 6 months before I actually scheduled an appointment, and to my detriment, because I feel fabulous. I feel better now than I did when I was 28 years old. I feel so good.